Welcome to the video, which talks about sticking. They are points through which the elements of the drawing can be located and the dimensions between the elements can be explained. First, we drag Lisp into the KeyAD file by clicking on App, then specifying the path where Lisp is located, then choosing it. Then we determine the shape of the points that we will draw or show on the board in terms of the symbol that precedes the number you want to start from, and the size of the point in relation to the lines and the project. Then we start timing the points, starting from the corners of the project, moving to the main entrance, then to the parking, followed by the area surrounding the main building in the project, then the corners of the building itself. Then we move to the interior design area and start from the swimming pool area and the elements that surround it, moving to the far left to the seating area and completing the rest of the points in the same way. After finishing, we move to formatting the points so that they are easy to read without overlapping between them. Then we move on to extract a table that shows the number of points and the coordinates of each point. After that, we begin to place the measurements on the plate, and we begin by experimenting with the size and style of the writings. If they suit the requirements, there is nothing wrong with them. But if they differ, we begin to modify these settings through the special menu for that, abbreviated as DDIM, and after modifying them, we begin to sign the measurements on the plate. Thus, the sticking panel has ended, as well as the part related to the executive panels, and we can move to the next part of the plan drawn up for the course.